Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently about to start getting ready to go to a brunch. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, but we'll figure that out. So we'll just see what I come up with. So if you would like to get ready with me, then keep on watching. So we are going to start off with the L'Oreal Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 490. And we're just going to start pouncing that onto our skin. Next, I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in Sand because I felt like the L'Oreal foundation just was not giving me the full coverage that I was looking for. Now I'm just filling in my eyebrows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black. And I just use that towel to go over my eyebrows because I still have some residue from that foundation, just in case you were wondering. So now I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. I also do this as a method to try to conceal just any extra eyebrow hairs that I have, especially when I haven't gotten them done in a while. So yeah. Okay, so for my eyes and for my bronzer and for my highlighter, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray collab palette. So I'm super excited to use this because I found this at a TJ Maxx for just $8. And it comes with so many goodies. So when you take off this packaging, it's like a rose gold and coral kind of packaging. It's super cute. It's compact, so you can definitely travel with this. Open this up and it comes with 3 bronzers, and it also comes with 3 highlighters. And then you also open up this compartment and it comes with, let me see, it comes with 21 eyeshadows. Like, that's amazing. So I do remember when she did collab with BH Cosmetics on this palette. I know it was a huge hit, but to find this at TJ Maxx for $8 is an even bigger hit. So I'm excited that I found such a great find, and this is what I'm going to be using for today's makeup. So I'm excited. Let's jump into it. So originally, I am starting off with the shade Pancake on my crease and just blending that out. And then just to warm it up a bit more, I then go with the shade Spice on the crease as well. So here you would see a clip of me going in with the shade Spice, as I mentioned earlier, just to warm it up a bit more. I'm also very sorry about the quality and the angle that I'm in. I thought I was in a good eye shot angle, but I guess not. And at this point, I was kind of on a time crunch. Okay, so starting off here, I did decide to put some Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium on the center of my eyelid because I did want to do a smoky eye but also keep it very daytime. So I did just go with matte, um, kind of just like a matte halo eye. Now I'm putting Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Medium Golden, I believe, just to highlight the center of my face as well as the under eyes. But also be very careful in regards to using Tarte Shape Tape. It is a very heavy concealer. Um, and I do now think I should have gone with something just a bit lighter in consistency, maybe the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. But we live and we learn. And now I am just setting my whole face with the Airspun powder and my beauty blender because, as mentioned earlier, I was on a time crunch. So I'm using the blush. It's a matte blush by Milani. It's called Romantic Rose. I really love that blush. It's like my everyday blush. Super cute color and just overall very flattering. And then let's see. So yeah, I'm just putting that on my cheeks. And then also what I like to do, which I will show you now. Yes, so I'm taking my stippling brush and then just blending in the bronzer and my blush together. Now I am using the L'Oreal Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara and just coating several times on my lashes. So moving on, I did decide to do a pop of color. It's like a purple. It's called Friday from the Ray Ray palette. Unfortunately, I forgot to use a highlight from the palette due to just rushing. But for highlight, I used the I Love Sarai collaboration with Dose of Colors. It's called Soulmate. So now I am currently lining my lips with the Rimmel London Stay On Lip Contouring Pencil in the shade Coffee Bean. I definitely wanted to go with like a nude brown ombre lip. So in order to achieve that, you would have to put down a darker lip liner first and then put on the lighter shade on top. So now I'm using the Wet n Wild High Shine lipstick in the shade Send Nudes. I'm currently trying to blend that in, and then later on in the clip you will see me using a lip brush to further blend out the rough edges of the lip liner with the lipstick. Now I'm just drenching my face with the Morphe Continuous Spray. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for going out for brunch. I'm kind of glad I went with this type of makeup because then it was easy to pair my outfit. And yeah, so actually let me show you guys what I'm wearing. That has a tie by the front with some high-waisted jeans and some black booties. So my bodysuit is from Easy Pickings. These jeans, I'm pretty sure I bought them at TJ Maxx. And then these booties I also bought at Easy Pickings. So this is just some Sunday brunch outfit. And yeah. So this is the look for my Sunday brunch. Thank you guys for following along, and be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I will be posting weekly videos, so I hope you're back. Let me give you guys some angles. Some angles.